Hi, this is Fred Niemann of Hanlon Niemann, a Central New Jersey law firm specializing in guardianships of minors and adults in all 21 counties of the state of New Jersey. I've done a number of YouTube videos on the topic of guardianship. Today I want to just briefly touch on the topic of temporary guardianships. Now, a lot of folks really don't know the specifics of a guardianship. Most times when the topic comes up, it has to do with an aging person. But I want to speak to those adults with small children or adults of older children who may, for whatever reason, be absent from the state of New Jersey or the country for an extended period of time. I guess the obvious candidates for that would be members of our military, but there's an awful lot of corporate men and women out there who, because of job assignments, are required to spend years in a foreign location, perhaps for reasons related to school, health, or other reasons. Bringing the children with their parents is not feasible. Well, what does one do in those circumstances? The immediate reaction might be, well, I'll get a power of appointment done or a power of attorney done. Well, that's not so easy, because if a child is a minor, they have no capacity to do that, and one could perhaps, I guess, give a power of attorney to another adult person to care for the minor children. However, in order to have the kind of legal authority, the legal decision-making that's necessary for a temporary guardianship, the better practice procedure is to apply for temporary guardianship through the county surrogate's office. Now, we've done a couple of these over the years, mostly in the context of a parent who was incapacitated because of an injury or illness, where there was an expectation that they would return to their former self, in which case the court is very understanding and oftentimes will do away with a lot of the formalities that are otherwise required, particularly the requirement for a court-appointed attorney to act as a guardian ad litem. So if you're one of the individuals who needs a guardianship, and I might add, in the context of our discussion here today, temporary guardianship could be very effective in a situation for an older person if it is expected that they're going to be able to return to serve as full guardian, or the person that they're looking for temporary guardianship over is likely to recover. Good example might be that recent Terry Schiavo case. However, of course, we know she never did recover. But if someone is in a coma, perhaps has been in a serious accident, is not able to function for themselves, one could go in for a temporary medical guardianship. So it's an option to consider, and I think this topic is something that a few of you have asked me to address. I hope you found it to be of interest, and we'll be talking to you again real soon.